What a sweet place we live, sweet jam down. All right, people, I am Chef Noel Cunningham and I am back with another food fact. When you think about Jamaica, what first comes to mind? For me, it's Jamaica, then jerk. It can be fish, pork, beef, lamb, goat, you name it. It is that versatile because it is both a technique and also a marinade, right? So it's versatile just like our people, our cuisine, and our culture. But did you know that Jamaica gave the world jerk? Yes, because there are so many festivals around the world celebrating jerk. Whether it be Miami, whether it be New York, Montreal, Toronto, Jamaica, Dubai, you name it, it is being celebrated. And there are so many books dedicated itself just to Jamaican jerk. Whether it be the technique, the recipe, or just a story, the fascinating story of jerk included my book. But did you know that Jamaica jerk was honored for the best cuisine at the World of Nations International Festival this year? Yes, for the best cuisine. So remember to visit my website www.cuisinebynoel.com. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at I am Chef Noel. You can also go to Amazon and order a copy of my book. It's called Cuisine by Noel. And if you're in Toronto, you can always visit my restaurant at 300 College Street and try some of the good Jamaican cuisine, fusion cuisine that is. So remember at I am Chef Noel, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Until next time, see ya!